My name is Matt, and we're going to spend a few minutes talking about how to sell remanufactured rear axle assemblies. Rear axle assemblies, or differentials, are being repaired or replaced every day. Lots of things can contribute to a rear end failure. Oil leaks can cause lack of lubrication, bearings can fail and spread metal debris, or even icy winter conditions can cause destruction. Most shops have been repairing rear differentials for years. To do so, the unit must be dropped, drained, disassembled, evaluated, cleaned, repaired, reassembled, and reinstalled. It's also likely that parts will have to be replaced. Of course, if the axle housing is severely bent or broken, it should not be repaired. With the remanufactured unit, the technician just has to drop the old unit and install the new one. There are no parts to clean or transfer. It's a very quick and easy repair. So a vehicle owner may have a choice to have their unit repaired or replaced. Both make sense in the right situation. But if you're quoting a rear axle assembly, most likely they can't consider the repair option. So, let's sell them a quality remanufactured rear axle assembly. As always, the first step of the sales process is getting the exact application your customer needs. The vehicle identification number is the best way to confirm the make, model, year, and engine size you are looking for. Once you have that, you're only part way there. You also need to determine the gear ratio and whether or not your customer needs a posi-track unit. Some advanced VIN-decoders may help with this, but if not, you should always be able to check with the dealership. Dealers with the VIN can tell you the exact gear ratio and whether the unit is posi or non-posi. Gear ratios can also be determined by counting the ring and pinion teeth if easily accessible. Once you have identified the exact unit, tell them some of the features of the product before you give them a price. So what are some of the important features of our rear axle assemblies? Our assemblies are more complete than most in the industry. They come fully assembled and include axles, backing plates, and are even filled with fluid. There should be no reason for your customer to open our unit. They can just hang their brakes and go. We even include friction modifier on units that require it. Technicians love our units because they are so quick and easy to install. The warranty? 3 years, unlimited mileage. Good anywhere in the USA, fully transferable, no registration or service records required. The claim process is easy. Your customer needs to go to a shop and start a claim. Our technicians will work to determine the best solution to get your customer back on the road. Our assemblies also come secured in a heavy plastic container with a sealed lid. This protects the unit when it's on a truck and gives your customer a clean, secure way to return their core. Rear axle assemblies have a guaranteed core. You can give your customer core credit back if they return a complete, assembled core in the same package it was shipped in. Like most all of our products, as long as that's the way we get the core, we will write you a full credit every time. Our axle assemblies are stocked in warehouses all over the USA, so the most popular units should be a couple days away. Your customer might ask, what parts are replaced in our assemblies? Let's take a look. Here's what parts are always replaced with new OE grade parts. Ring and pinion, crush sleeve, pinion nut, axle seals, axle bearings, outer pinion bearing, inner pinion bearing, carrier bearings, and backing plates. So let's review. How should you sell a remanufactured rear axle assembly? Get the info needed to select the right part. Tell the customer about the 3-year unlimited mile warranty. Tell the customer about the core deposit and refund guarantee regardless of damage. Tell the customer that your unit is install ready. Thanks for your attention and good luck selling remanufactured axle assemblies.